Chi Panata. How many? 1 and 2 watermelon. Nikki Pata, she's very happy because it nearly took me one day, one whole to find this watermelon. It was nowhere to be found. And I was going round and round the bazaar looking for this. And then in one corner there was this watermelon. Lots. Just come and we'll hold it. Let's see whether you can carry it. Aja beta. Wow, so strong. Her favorite, no? Only for her. I went looking for the watermelon. Wow, hot the bed. Whoa. कोई तान ले रखो नीचे में रखो धीरे से रखो बेटा नहीं तो ये टूट जाएगा इट्स टू बेटा